my channel. It's Georgia, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. Please leave a like and subscribe down below. It would be most appreciated. And as we all know, we are in lockdown, so I took this idea but gave it my own little twist. So I took this idea from Lil Pet channel. It was 10 things that you can do with your horse, but I don't have a horse, so I'm going to do it with my dog. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to film this video because everyone's at home and people have gone out and bought a puppy or rescued a dog, and these 10 things will just help you bond with your dog or puppy or whatever. It will just help you bond with them and create a stronger bond for you and your dog and make your lives a lot happier. And it'll be a best opportunity to do it now because you have this whole time to sit there, spend time with your dog, get to know your dog, what preferences it likes, what things it likes doing and stuff like that, and you can find a lot about your dog in this short amount of time. So I'm going to give you 10 things that you can do with your dog at home, and yeah, 10 things that you can do to stay indoors or just on your daily walks when you go out. You can do these things, and this will make you and your dog's life a lot happier. And enough rambling, without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1 is spend time with your dog. I think this is a really underrated exercise. It's really beneficial for your bond because you get to know your dog and you just get to build that trust up by spending time with them because you're not asking them to do anything. Number 2 is getting to know your dog. I feel this is another good way to bond with your dog, to get to know what they like and what they don't like, and I just did it in a little fun game. Number 3 is taking your dog for a walk. This is a good way to bond with your dog as well as exercising your dog. Number 4 is teach your dog a trick. This is a perfect way to bond with your dog because you and your dog are both working together to achieve a behaviour. And I showed in one of my last videos, I taught my dog how to roll over, so that's what I chose to do. Number 5 is do some training. I like to work on my dog's heeling and between, so that's what I've done in this video coming up.
Between. Wait. 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 Heel. Press. Sit. Sit. Between. Good girl. Wait. Wait. Down. Sit. Pull.
Number 6 is play some games with your dog. This is the perfect way to bond because your dog is using its mind and just having a little bit of fun. Number 7 is agility. This is a perfect way to bond with your dog as it gets your dog working and it's just a nice fun way to bond. number 8 is a doggy photo shoot. This is just a bit of fun and a good way to bond with your dog. Number 9 is making Tik Toks. This is a good way to bond with your dog and have a little bit of fun. Sorry, I can't play the sound because of copyright reasons, but this is a free TikTok that me and my dog have made. And number 10 is groom your dog. This is a good way to spend time with your dog and also build that bond and trust. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. So I hope they gave you some ideas on things you could do with your dog whilst in quarantine and help build that bond and that trust that you really want to achieve. If you do use any of my ideas, then please, I forgot to mention that I will link Lil Pet Channel's link down below in the description. So you can go check her out and see her idea of this, because I did obviously take it from her, so I want to give her the credit for it because it isn't my original idea. So if you wanted to head over to her channel to check hers out, I will link that down below, and go subscribe to her channel because she has amazing content on there. And yeah, so go subscribe to her channel and tag me on Instagram. It is Georgia's_animals_20, or my main account, which is georgia.3.121. So if you do use any of these ideas, please at me on them and I will comment back. So I do upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday of every week at 10 AM, so be sure to see a video from me then. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe down below, and turn on the post notifications to hear more from me. So I will catch you guys on Friday.